Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be joining the hashtag Breads 2023 at Jamie's Country Living, and I'm going to be making a cake mix banana bread. I got this recipe from my mother-in-law. You'll need 3 ripe bananas mashed, 1 box of cake mix, 3 eggs, a half a cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg, 1/3 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, I've got my oven set at 350, and all I'm going to do is just add everything together. I'm going to add the cake mix and the spices. I'm going to mix them up a little bit. I'm going to add the water and butter. My 3 eggs. The vanilla. Maybe a little bit over a tablespoon. Add the bananas. And just get this mixed up good. I have my bundt cake pan. I've got it sprayed with Baker's Joy. You could use a loaf pan or whatever you want to use. I'm just going to pour it in. Now I'm just going to bake this at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. This only took about 30 minutes in my oven. According to your oven, you know, check it maybe 10 minutes ahead of time and put a toothpick in it, see if it comes out clean. But this only took 30 minutes in my oven. Y'all check out the hashtag Breads 2023 at Jamie's Country Living, and also BC Homesteading. That's where we found out about the collaboration. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.